Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our first Beer of the Week video hosted by yours truly, Andy, coming at you this May 2-4 weekend, a super Canadian weekend if there ever was one. So we thought we'd Canadian it up for you. Got maple syrup to my left, poutine in my center, and to my right is our wonderful Toronto-based craft beer from our friends at Black Lab Brewery. Super amazing spot, especially if you are a dog lover. Named after the owner's dog, Snoopy, a black lab. Snoopy's got his little house there and everything. It's only a few years old, opened in 2018. It's a super friendly, wonderful atmosphere. If you haven't been, you gotta go. So this is also particularly Canadian, this beer, because it's brewed not only with oatmeal, but also with real Ontario organic maple syrup. You can really smell it too, it's fantastic. So take a look at that beautiful, awesome looking stout. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna take a nice little gulp. Holy cow, that is so good. This is fantastic if you are a maple syrup fan. If you're a purist, if you're a traditionalist in the beer world, you don't like adding stuff to your beer, okay, this might not be for you. But what I have to say to you is give it a try. This is fantastic. You can really taste the oats too. Super sweet, super yummy. Wow, it's like Christmas all over again, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, that'll do it. I'm gonna eat my poutine, maybe take a shot of maple syrup. Who knows? We'll see what's up for this evening. Thanks so much for tuning in, folks. Stay tuned for next week's weekly beer tasting. I am your host, Andy, from the Rolling Hops Beer Tours. And remember, craft beer is here.